जानी जाती है, वो अपनी पार्टी की नीतियों से परेशान होकर आज आम आदमी पार्टी में शामिल हो रही हैं। मैं उनका तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूं।
It is sad for me to make this statement, but yes, BJP is no longer the party that belonged to late Manoharji Parrikar, who was the chief minister then. It is no longer the party that late Matani Saldana joined with a lot of hope for the state of Goa and the people of Goa. In fact, recent happenings in the state had forced me to take a stand that was opposing to the government. And when I say this, I'm talking about the 3 linear projects. In fact, I made it a point to take the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa onto the tracks to make him understand what will happen if the track, the Southwestern Railway track, is doubled. And very evidently, he saw where the second track will end, which is within the compound walls of the houses along the entire alignment, which means we'll be destroying the homes of the people. People will be forced to leave their homes. There will be pollution caused by coal dust. There will be pollution not only air pollution, but also pollution of the water bodies that will lead to loss of aquatic life. There will be ample pollution and destruction. And most certainly, the people, the residents of these houses will no longer be able to live in their own homes. They'll have to go elsewhere. And I firmly believe that such projects cannot be termed as development, because these projects are anti-people. And I was feeling suffocated. I was feeling that I think the party also felt that I was an obstruction to their goals, which were anti-people. And because I have lost that belonging sense. I cannot equate myself with the party anymore. And also, I think there have been certain issues where I feel that the sacrifice that Matani did for the party, trying to win the elections at the cost of his life. Because when Matani went away, he died of a heart attack due to sheer exhaustion after working hard, climbing every floor to convince the people. And if Matani was here today, he would be as disappointed as I am. And therefore, I had to take this decision, and I have joined the party, the Aam Aadmi Party, that I believe will definitely deliver to the people of the state of Goa. I believe the Aam Aadmi Party will also be there for the common man, to ensure the needs of the common man. I have full faith in the Chief Minister, Sri Kejriwal, and I thank him for welcoming me into the party.